So I use houseplants primarily to filter the water in my fish tanks, but in some of my tanks I also use hang on the back filters, and I use them in a very specific way. Today I want to show you how to maximize your HOB filter, how you can save money in the long term, and how to greatly increase your biological filtration. Now I'll show you two different size filters, and neither of them have the disposable filter cartridges. The HOB filters that I use are made by Aquatech. Now these are reasonably priced, simply designed, and I've been using these very ones for several years now with no issues, which really speaks well for their durability. Now this is not a sponsored video. I'm recommending these because I've used them for years and I love them because they perform wonderfully in my tanks. Well, let's go over 4 different types of reusable filter media that work better than these darn cartridges. Now, all of these products mentioned in this video have Amazon affiliate links in the description below in case you want to get them. Let's begin by taking a look at my 29-gallon tank filter. Here I am using lava rock, which is very porous and provides loads of surface area for beneficial bacteria to colonize. So every time the water flows through, the bacteria are feeding on the nitrates, cleaning the water a little more each time. Now let's look at my 75-gallon tank. This filter is actually rated for 30 to 60 gallons, but it still gives me plenty of water circulation for a 75. Inside I have plastic scouring pads, the same ones used to clean dishes with, and they are perfectly safe to use. Just be sure to use new ones and not use ones from your kitchen sink. The advantage to these over the lava rocks is they are lighter in weight and arguably provide more surface area for beneficial bacteria because of the weave pattern of the material. Now the third media is cut to size open cell foam. You simply cut out the size piece that you need and slide it into your filter. And the fourth option is to use ceramic rings. Now, like the lava rock, it is a highly porous material with tons of surface area. In the disposable cartridges, there is activated carbon built in. Now, I don't even use activated carbon primarily because it will filter out any tannins in the water, which are still beneficial to the fish even in smaller amounts. So you may be wondering, if I'm not using a filter cartridge, won't the media inside the filter get clogged up with debris? Well, no, it won't, because I'm using a sponge pre-filter. These are readily available in a size that fits over most intakes, and it filters out the debris before it even has a chance to go into the intake. And you don't have to clean out the impeller compartment as often or the media. And I don't even have to clean these pre-filters very often at all unless they significantly slow down the water flow. And because the sponge is a porous material, it provides yet another place for beneficial bacteria. So follow this HOB filter setup and save yourself from having to buy those pesky filter cartridges. It'll help you save money in the long run and maximize your biofiltration. And don't forget, if you need any of these products that I've mentioned today, they are available through the affiliate links down in the description. Be sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel where most of the time it's all about the plants.